Let us consider another method, the sum of years digits method. This is also a small variation of the reducing balance method. So the amount of depreciation will go on reducing under this method. Under this method, depreciation every year is cost of the asset less scrap, that is the depreciable amount, into the number of years remaining life of asset by the sum of digits of the life of the asset. Now what does this mean? Suppose we take an item of machinery costing 1 lakh with a life of 4 years and no scrap value. Then the total depreciable amount is 1 lakh. What would be the depreciation in the first year? It would be the number of years, it would be the depreciable amount, that is 1 lakh, right, into number of years of remaining life of the asset, including the current year. So at the end of the first year, remaining life of the asset is actually 3, but we have to consider the first year also. Therefore, totally we have 4 years. It would be 4 divided by sum of the digits of the life of the asset, which is nothing but 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Therefore, depreciation for year 1 would be 1 lakh into 4 divided by 10 into 4 by 10, which is equal to 40,000 in year 1. In year 2, it would be depreciable amount into, at the end of year 2, the remaining life of the asset is 2 plus the current year of 3 divided by, again 10, the same thing, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to into 3 by 10 equal to 30,000. Therefore, the amount of depreciation goes on reducing. This is called sum of years digits method. A point to note is that the sum of the years below can also be computed as n into n plus 1 by 2. N being the life of the asset, in this particular case 4 into n plus 1 is 5, divide by 2, 20 by 2 equal to 10. This is just a small way of computing the denominator. Let us consider another example. A machinery was purchased for rupees 50,000 with a scrap value of 1,000 at the end of 5 years of its useful life. What would be the depreciation charge for 5 years? In this case, what would be the depreciation charge? The depreciable amount is 50,000 minus 1,000 or 49,000. What would be the depreciation charge? It would be 49,000 into, in the first year it would be 5 divided by the denominator, which is nothing but 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, or 5 into n plus 1, 6 divided by 2 equal to 15. Let us just see the working of this. First and foremost, sum of the year's digits is 15. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 15, which we have computed as n into n plus 1 by 2, 15. Either way, we get the same result. Next, the computation for the first year depreciation would be 49,000 into remaining life of the asset, including the current year. Therefore, we have taken 5 years, that is the entire life of the asset, divided by 15. Depreciation amount 16,333. Second year, 49,000 into the remaining life, including the second year, would be 4 by 15 equal to 13.067. Third year, similarly, depreciable amount into 3 by 15, that is 9,800. Fourth year, 49,000 into 2 by 15, 6533, and finally 49,000 into 1 by 15, 3267. Total amount of 49,000. The total depreciable amount has been spread as 16,333, 13,067, 9,800, 6533, and 3267. Therefore, under this method also the amount of depreciation goes on reducing.